Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Janice. Today I'm going to show you how to get your Canon 60D to be working again if you drop your camera. Like me, I dropped my camera and from my tripod and my pictures all become white color like this. White color. Yeah, white color. So I was trying to find out how to fix this white color when I take pictures. Basically, to fix this, right, you need to go to your settings over here, change it from like mountain or all that settings to your P setting. Okay, to your P settings, set the P, set the P setting. Then go to your menu, go to your menu here, and then go to exposure. Choose to the darkest. Original was actually I actually changed it from zero. Original was 0 to the darkest, and then you press OK, and then you try taking the photo. It should be able to fix your problem. Okay, it should be able to fix your problem. Let me just show you an example. Okay, maybe I just show you an example from to set this to this mountain setting. Okay, and take a shot. For based on the we got the exposure. This one has no exposure. It will be actually white color. I change it in setting because my room has not much of light. Okay. See this? This one is white color. So to fix this, right, as I said, go to your P setting. P setting. P setting. Set to P for TV. P. Okay, you can just set to P, TV, or AV. For me, I'll fix it to P setting, and then you go to your menu. Okay, go to your exposure here. Choose to the darkest. Okay, choose to the darkest from original 0. Choose it to the darkest, the exposure. Then you have to use this P. Okay, P. See? P. This is better. Better view. You can see my laptop. Okay, cable. Yeah, this actually fixes the problem by choosing to the darker view. Okay, darker view exposure. Okay, that's the way. For the other settings, not able to fix it. So you have to go choose P and choose the darker exposure to fix the problem. Okay, that's the only way I find so far. If you have any other ways, do let me know. This is the only way I managed to find. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.